Sir, pero lang sa loob ng ano. Sige.
Anything pa kami tanongin nila sa inyo mamaya.
Sir, excuse me.
It's within, of course, the operator's scope of the Sabina. Ano lang
Pero
natin.
may nararamdaman mo, sir.
Well, we just follow the process, no? I was under compulsory process, so nandito ako ngayon.
Sir, regardless of with the other lawyers
Sorry?
with the other lawyers of VP Sara.
I don't think so. I think they already, the defense team already called yesterday to inform them that we will not be affected.
But are we full confident, sir, sa mga magiging hearing today?
I don't know what to expect so we'll just wait and see.
Attorney po, why po the defense team doesn't recognize po itong committee? Pero dumalo po kayo?
Well, I was under compulsory process, so that's without prejudice to the defense's vice president.
Table, may table.